APOLLOMI is a high-tech manufacturer, mainly manufacturer of outdoor SMD full-color, rental LED screen, sports LED screen and customized designs. While running an anti-static dust-free plant covering an area of more than 10,000 square meters. The company also has many automatic production lines, advanced manufacturing equipment and perfect testing devices, guaranteeing a monthly capacity of 2,000 square meters. Focusing on high-end markets and following the philosophy of customer-centered, quality for survival, integrity for development, the company always strives to win customers and the market with the most sincere heart, most advanced technology, highest quality products, and most satisfactory service. Our mission is to provide best service to our customers and concentrate on building a long-term partnership with our customers, which leading us to create a win-win situation. We are committed to putting our customers as the first priority by providing high-quality products, integrity, honesty and accountability in our worldwide business.